Lignin is a complex heteropolymer made up of 3 monolignals. It is the second most abundant polymer on earth next to cellulose. Here we demonstrate thioglycolic acid method, which is the most reliable method for the estimation of lignin content. This method is based on the principle that lignin binds to thioglycolic acid through thioether bonds. Further, we divided this protocol into 5 phases. In the first phase, we prepare the plant material. In the second phase, we isolate the alcohol-insoluble extract. In the third phase, we precipitate lignin using thioglycolic acid and acidic conditions. In the fourth phase, we prepare lignin standard curve using industrial bamboo lignin. Finally, in the fifth phase, we estimate the lignin content using the standard curve prepared in the fourth phase. Plant material is collected, flipped the pots to separate the roots, washed them thoroughly in water, air-dried for 2 days, transferred them into labeled containers, and incubated them in the incubator at 49 degrees centigrade for 1 week to 10 days. Using scissors, the tissue is further cut into 1 mm to 3 mm size pieces. Alternatively, biomass grinder is used to crush the plant tissues. Use the root tissue. Turn on the biomass grinder. Collect the crushed powder into pre-labeled containers.